Welcome back to Tech Notes. If your LG Smart TV feels laggy, apps open slowly, or it starts freezing from time to time, it's not just you. These TVs run on a limited memory, and over time, cache data and background apps can make the system slower. In this video, I will show you a few quick ways to clean it up and get your LG Smart TV running fast again. Let's get started. The first thing to do is close any apps running in the background. Press the back button once on your remote. This opens the list of active apps. In some TVs, you can access this by holding the home button. Use the arrow keys to move between them and press the trash icon to shut each one down. This immediately clears memory and can make a big difference in speed. Also, there is the option to clear them all at once. Just back here again and press close all. Extra apps take up space and slow your system even when you are not using them. On the home screen, hover over any app you don't use. For me, I go for Netflix. Hold the OK button and select Delete App. Then confirm. Keep only your main streaming apps, it keeps the system lighter and faster. Some AI and auto start features constantly run in the background. Go to Settings, All Settings, General, AI Service, and turn off AI brightness settings and AI sound if you don't use them. Also, go for AI acoustic tuning and turn it off. Then check General, System, Additional Settings, Home Settings, and make sure Power on Screen is set to Recent Input instead of the default home menu. These adjustments freeze a lot of the background operations and will definitely make the TV faster. Software updates often fix performance spikes and improve responsiveness. Go to Settings, All Settings, Support, Software Update, check for updates, install the latest version if available. Also enable auto update, it's always better for the system. Now do a proper restart to clear the system cache. There is a very important settings to check first. Go to Settings, All Settings, General, Devices, TV Management, Quick Start Plus, and make sure it's turned off. Then turn off the TV and unplug it for about 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. That clears any cached memory that regular shutdowns do not remove. If the TV is still slow after all these fixes, try a full reset. Navigate to Settings, All Settings, General, System, Reset to Initial Settings. This wipes everything and gives you a clean, fresh start, just like when it was new. I will now skip setting up the TV, so let's hop into the new home screen and try navigating the TV. It will definitely be a lot faster now. After these steps, your TV should feel smoother, load apps faster, and respond quicker overall. These are all safe built-in fixes, no external tools, just a few smart tweaks to get the best performance out of your LG TV. If this video was helpful, give a like and subscribe to Tech Notes for more quick guides.